Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how do I backup MacBook to iCloud. If you want to keep your photos, files, documents, desktop and important data safe, then iCloud backup is one of the easiest methods for Mac users. So whether you are using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, this guide will help you set everything up properly. So let's get started. First, what you have to do before starting, make sure you have enough iCloud storage available. So first check iCloud storage. Click on this Apple icon. Now click on System Preferences. Now click on your Apple ID here. Then select iCloud here. Here you will see how much iCloud storage you are using. Apple gives only 5 GB free storage. So if your Mac has lots of files or photos, you may need to upgrade your iCloud plan. From here, click on Manage. And you can see, click on Add Storage. And you can see here the plans. For 50 GB is 75 rupees per month, 200 GB 219 rupees per month, 2 TB 749 rupees per month, 6 TB 2999 rupees per month, 12 TB 5900 rupees per month. These all are the plans. Now enable iCloud Drive. Inside the iCloud setting, you can see here iCloud Drive. Turn it on. Check this box. After enabling this iCloud Drive, just click on this option. Here you can choose what you want to sync and backup. I recommend you just enable desktop and document folders, photos, passwords and keychain. Okay, just enable desktop and documents, photos, passwords and keychain, notes, Safari, contacts. This helps automatically save your important data to iCloud. Now backup desktop and documents. One of the most useful feature is desktop and documents backup, and this option is enabled. You can see here. At the top, when this option is enabled, file on your desktop and file inside the document will automatically upload to iCloud. Like these files I have on my desktop, I can move them to iCloud as well, just enabling it. After just enabling it, I have heavy files on these folders, that's why I am not enabling this, because it needs to upgrade. When I check this box, I need to upgrade my plan so that I can enable this option. So if your MacBook gets damaged, lost or reset, you can easily restore those files on another Apple device. Now if you also want to backup your photos and videos, then what you have to do, just close this window first, open your photo. After opening your photo app, go to Setting, Preferences. Now you can see here iCloud. Click on iCloud. Now you can see here iCloud Photos. Just enable this. As you can see, it is enabled now. Your media will start syncing to iCloud automatically. If your storage is limited, turn it on, optimize Mac storage. This keeps smaller versions on your Mac and saves space. This optimize Mac storage. If your Mac is low on space, full resolution photos and videos are automatically replaced with a smaller device sized versions, full resolution versions can be downloaded from iCloud anytime. That's now just verify your backup is working or not. Open Finder, then click on iCloud Drive. Here you can see, and you can see you should see your uploaded files there. You can also log into iCloud.com from any browser. Let's suppose I will open Safari and I will search iCloud.com. Now just I need to sign in here. Just enter your Mac password here. You can see here my iCloud Drive on web browser, photos, drives, notes, and everything I used to manage on iCloud is here. You can see here on my profile iCloud setting as well, plans of iCloud Plus, family sharing, custom email domain, hide my email, HomeKit secure video, connect your home security cameras in the home app so you can record and view the footage from anywhere. It's very private and secure. iCloud private relay, more storage plan as well here you can see. Okay, so let's discuss some common problems of iCloud and fix them. If your files are not syncing, okay, so check your internet connection first, that it is connected or not with the Wi-Fi. It's a basic thing. Second, make sure you are signed into the correct Apple ID. If you have plenty of Apple IDs and you are searching different things on your different Apple ID, so that's a problem. And third, if everything is correct but it is not working, just restart your Mac 1 to 2 times and verify you still have available iCloud storage. More syncing problems are fixed using these steps. These are the basic common steps. So that's how you can back up your MacBook to iCloud easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.